Academy School, Thoubal celebrated its 22nd Foundation Day at the school campus today. Education Minister, Deputy Commissioner Thoubal N. Bandana Devi, Director College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor Dr. Ratan Kumar Singh, and Founder EduLife India Thokchom Mritenjoy Singh were the main guests. People's Biodiversity Register (PBR) survey was conducted for the first time at Jiribam's Vihuveng village. The PBR survey is sponsored by a board chaired by Chief Secretary of Manipur Dr. Suresh Babu under National Biodiversity Authority Chennai, along with a team of Transdisciplinary University TDU Bangalore. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar today said that India and China don't have a choice but to get along with each other at the Raisina Dialogue, India's flagship global conference on geopolitical, being attended by 7 former heads of state and government. Elaborating on India's role in global diplomacy, the minister said New Delhi should play a stabilizing role to balance forces of disruption. The 3-day conference will see participation of 12 foreign ministers, including from Russia, Iran, Australia, Maldives, South Africa, Estonia, Czech Republic, Denmark, Hungary, Latvia, Uzbekistan, and the EU. Miyamgi Numit Kam Hill Leaders Day is underway at the Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat. Many people from across the state are gathered at the venue to share their grievances to Chief Minister N. Biren. Later, the Chief Minister will also brief media persons at the venue. As the nation celebrates the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti today, the festival is also celebrated in northeast states of Assam, Manipur and Tripura. Assamese observe the day as Magh Bihu or Bongali Bihu. The day marks the arrival of spring and people welcome it with functions, family fests and by organizing fairs. At the ongoing I-League, Neroka FC defeated Real Kashmir in 1-0 yesterday at Khuman Men's Stadium, Imphal. To be mentioned, yesterday's game was the 3rd home match for Neroka FC. Imphal East Commando conducted search and cordon operation around Palace compound today. 1 person has been picked up. On the other hand, Vishnupur police also conducted operation around Irengbam Mamang Laikai, where police picked up 5 persons. Broadband connection will be partially restored for institutions in Kashmir Valley after more than 5 months of blackout. Media reports said that the process, which will be conducted in phases, will start today. Social networking sites, however, will remain under complete restriction, the government order said.